Siapa? Udah.
Welcome to my channel. I am setting SSD M2 to my laptop. The type of laptop is A440. This is the same with ThinkPad T440P. So we have to prepare some tools. The first SSD and the second like this. And so the first we have to open battery, and then we have to open back cover. There are 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I already opened it. Okay, the slot of SSD M2 in here. So I will put SSD M2 Team Groove to this slot. Okay, like this. Please see beautifully, see carefully. Before we put this SSD, we have to open this screw. Okay, so I will put SSD M2 to this slot. I will press SSD until okay, like this. So I will push this SSD to bottom. Okay, like this. So I will put this screw. Okay, after that, already finished to set SSD on the laptop. After that, I will replace my HDD in the second place. So I will open 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first, the second, the third, if we see about this this laptop, we can see about RAM. There are 2 RAM in here. The maximus of RAM until 16 gigabit of RAM. For every place, for every slot is 8 gigabit. There are 2 slots. Every slot is 8 gigabit. Okay, I will open. Okay, this is.
Buka dulu. Bau nih.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4 screw again. Okay, we open this cover. This is cover only just plastic for ThinkPad A440. But if you fine if you open the cover of T440P. This cover is better than this cover. Okay, I will replace with this VD, HDD VD. This is for storage because I already have for operasi system in SSD, and this is for storage for my data. Like this. This is true.
Kebalik.
Like this. Okay. I will set again the screw. There are 4 screws. We make sure that the screw is very okay. You can see like this. I will put this HDD on the slot like this. Okay. Just fake plug and play. There are 4 screw again. Oh. You can make sure that screw is fake. Okay, there are 2 storage. The first is SSD and the second is HDD. SSD for operation system and the second HDD for my data. We can make sure everything is fake. Okay, after that we can close the back cover. There are three screws. The first, second, the third. Okay, already fixed. Make sure everything is okay.